Hey everyone, this is Joel and I am a trainer with Eduphoria, and today I'm going to show you how to update your profile. Updating your profile is very important. It's something that you need to do at the start of every school year, and it is the way to make sure that the grade levels you teach, the subjects you teach, the campuses where you will be located, and all your profile is accurate for the new school year. To update your profile, you're going to follow these steps. The first step is you're going to log into Eduphoria. Here on the main app screen, you can either click the profile button at the top or the My Profile button at the bottom. They both go to the same place. So I'm going to click My Profile down here. I'm going to make sure the information is correct. I'm logged in a demo account as Baxter Adkins, so I can see my name is spelled correctly. My email address is also correct. For campus, you want to make sure to select all the campuses where you will be working for this school year. So it's important to go down the list, make sure if there's a campus that's selected where you were last year that you are not at this year, you want to deselect that and only select the campuses where you will serve for this school year. I can also upload an image file. This is a picture file that represents me, or Baxter in this case, and it will appear on the campus view for my appraisers to click on. So I'm actually going to select a file that I have saved here for Baxter, and I'm going to upload that image. And Baxter is my little puppy dog, by the way. And you can see Baxter is now showing as the image in this view. So now I can click Next, and it's going to ask me what is my primary role in the district. And again, it's for this school year, so you want to make sure to select the option that represents what you will be doing for this school year. If it is not one of these four choices, you can always click Other. The next section, you're going to select the subjects you teach. And the key to this is to select only the subject areas that you will be teaching this school year. It's tempting to select everything that you've ever taught in your career, but the answer to the question really is what subjects will you be teaching for this school year. So select those options here and click Next. What grades do you teach? That's going to be the question, again, applying for this school year. So you only want to select options for what you're going to be teaching for this school year, not selecting everything that you've ever taught in your career. Click Next. The next part ties into electronic signatures. So if your district is using electronic signatures for documentation, this is where you're going to select the question by clicking the drop down. You're going to select the question that you would like to answer and then enter in your answer here. And then you'll click Next. It's going to ask, is this your first year to teach on the campus where you will be appraised? And you select the choice there and then click Save Changes. The electronic signature part is important. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So when I go into Strive and I go to the Evaluations tab, when I have a document that needs to be signed, it's going to tell me on here electronic signature is required. That means it's ready for me to look at that information and then for me to actually sign the document. So when I click electronically sign, it's going to show me what's going on. If my administrator has already signed it, it's going to show that it is already signed. It'll have a check mark here. For my signature, when I click it, it's going to ask for my Eduphoria username, my Eduphoria password. It's going to put in the question that was asked, and then I put in my answer here. If you're unable to log in and sign your document electronically, maybe you forgot your password, maybe you forgot you put a space in there or a dash or a number, you can always go back to your profile by going to Change Application, back to Profile, and walk through the steps to change that password. You can do this on your own. You don't have to call your technology department. You don't need to call Eduphoria. If you are able to still log into Eduphoria, you can go in and manage this yourself. And that is how you update your profile.